In order to remove the carpet of this vehicle, you need to remove the front and back seat first. I already have a video for that, so check it in the description box below. Just a quick reminder, if you have a modern car with electronics involved in seats, center console, and others, it is always a good idea to disconnect your negative terminal of the battery to prevent any problems. First thing to do is to remove the door sills. The side portion has a small tab that locks the door sills, so gently lift it and pull the top portion of the door sills. Here is how it looks like underneath. Those tabs and clips are locked into these spots. Do the same thing on all door seals. The rear side is also identical to the front. Next is to pull the rubber strips. Then remove the lower trim pillar. This has two locks on top. Just simply pull to remove the lower trim pillar. It will just pop out like the other panels. Here is how the back looks like. It has two locks on the bottom and on the top. The side of the carpet has a small plastic fastener clip. The rear side is just being slid on. This piece right here is simply being slid underneath the harness. Another one here is a plastic fastener clip. On the front, this kick panel has one plastic nut. Loosen and remove it. Then, we can pull this kick panel away. Before that, pull the rubber strip first. Then, just simply pull the kick panel. So this kick panel is held by this plastic nut and the small green plastic clip inside. It is also a good idea to vacuum it to lessen the dirt when taking it away from the car. Next, remove the lower cover of the seatbelt harness. Just simply push it downward, then pry it and pull it away. Grab a 14mm socket to remove and loosen the bolt. Same thing on the other side. Clips on the rear portion of the carpet can be removed by pulling it together with the carpet. Don't forget to remove those plastic locks I've mentioned earlier. Next thing to remove is the accelerator pedal. Remove those two covers using a small flathead screwdriver. Grab a 10mm socket and remove the two bolts. Pull the pedal assembly and disconnect the electrical plug. Take the pedal assembly away. Now this piece of carpet is being slid under the shifter assembly. Remove the 4 nuts using a 12mm socket. Lift the shifter assembly, and there you can see this piece of carpet is being slid under the harness. Removing the harness plastic clips is not advisable since these clips can break, and there are many things that are needed to remove, only for a small piece of carpet. The quickest way is to cut it in the middle. Then, when you're gonna put it back on the vehicle, you can just place it above the harness and sew it to secure it. Now that it is free, we can now remove the carpet. Just gently take the carpet away from the car. And there we have successfully removed the carpet. After cleaning, I returned the carpet, and here is what I did on the middle piece of the carpet under the shifter. I place it above the carpet and sew it to secure it. Now, it will be easy to remove the carpet. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.